The 2023 National Crime Victimization Survey has revealed unsettling trends in crime perception and victimization in the island. While some aspects of crime appear to have improved since 2019, others have worsened, underscoring ongoing security concerns for citizens. Sandy Williams reports.
The survey conducted between November 2023 and February 2024 found that Jamaicans' perception of safety has remained largely unchanged since 2019, with one glaring exception: banks and ATMs. Stacey Thompson is head of the Special Project Unit at the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin.
We found that 68.6% of respondents felt safe at a bank in 2023, compared to 80.9% in 2019. And also at the ATM on the corner on the street, where 47.2% of respondents indicated feeling safe, compared to 56.3% in 2019.
More respondents in 2023 felt that crime had worsened at a national, parish, and town level compared to 3 years prior. Meanwhile, household victimization has decreased over a 3-year period, but personal victimization has seen a worrying uptick, jumping from 10.8% in 2019 to 14.2% in 2023. The data points to a growing threat to individuals, even as households report fewer incidents. Crime victimization overall has escalated, particularly in cases of bribery and bank consumer fraud. These forms of crime have increased both in a 3-year and 12-month periods, signaling a worrying trend of financial exploitation and corruption within the country.
When we look at bribery, we saw where 10% of respondents indicated that they were a victim of bribery in 2023, compared to 4.7% in 2019. And for bank fraud, 15.6% indicated being a victim of bank fraud in 2023, compared to 8.7% in 2019.
One of the survey's most concerning revelations, though, is the continued low reporting of personal crimes and crimes witnessed. Underreporting skews the national crime statistics and may contribute to emboldened criminals.
When asked, why did you not report the crime to the police? Persons who witnessed murder, 51.9% indicated there were other witnesses. For gun battle and robbery, 57.9% and 60.7% indicated that they indicated reluctance as to why they did not report these crimes. When we talk about reluctance, we talk about not wanting to go to court, trying to protect the offender, and the one that we know don't want to be labeled as we know. Exactly. So they didn't want to be labeled as an informer.
The survey was conducted with a sample size of 3,294 individuals, with responses collected from 2,335 participants. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.